What's up, everybody? Bubba D's here, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're not going to be cooking, we're going to be baking. We're baking a cake in the multi-pot, and that's it right there. So let's get started. You're going to need a cake mix, 3 eggs to be exact, a mixing bowl, of course some baking pans, and they come in all different sizes, different heights as well, trivet, some foil paper, and that's pretty much it. So let's empty out our cake mix. I'm going with Duncan Hines original classic golden cake, something very simple. Add that right into the bowl. We'll go ahead and add our water. That's 1 cup of water. We're going to use 3 eggs, just like that. We're also going to need half a cup of oil. You can go ahead and put that in there. And now we're just going to go give it a real good mix. You can use an electric mixer if you have, or you can just use your good old hands if you'd like as well. We're going to go ahead and grease the pans. I'm using Pam. If you don't have Pam, you can always use butter or even oil. Go ahead and pour that directly inside. We want to go about halfway up the pan. And same thing for the larger one as well. I'm using the 6-quart version of the multi-pot, and that will allow me to hold 2 of these inside there. So I want to go ahead and wrap those up tightly with foil on the top. I'm not going to puncture any kind of holes in it. It's just the foil paper on top, placed tightly around it, just so that no water or moisture gets inside. Now, if you've never baked using a pressure cooker, it is fantastic. It's super moist, but what you are going to need is at least 1 cup of water still in there. Then go ahead and put the smaller one at the bottom, larger one at the top, or whatever way you prefer. It's up to you. Go ahead and tighten and close that seal. And with the Mealthy pot, you actually have a cake feature on there. If you don't have that cake feature, you can always go ahead and use just high pressure for 40 minutes. So boom, we are done. This is the finished product after 40 minutes of cooking. It's nice and moist. It doesn't rise as much as what you would have in an oven, but it is completely thoroughly cooked. It isn't wet, and I'm gonna go ahead and decorate it because this episode is actually our 50th video on Bubba D's channel. So we're gonna go ahead and decorate that cake because there's nothing better than celebrating and eating a cake. So I'll put the little small layer on top. I am not a professional baker by any means necessary, so do not judge me on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and put on all my nice chocolate icing, and I like kind of, sprinkles. So let's put some chocolate sprinkles on there, and let's put some colorful sprinkles on there. My kids love that all the time, so let's throw that on there. And once again, this is the 50th video, so thank you guys for supporting and watching this channel ever since. Leave comments. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't stress that enough. I wouldn't have this channel without you. And if you want to see anything cool and exciting, please let me know. So we'll go ahead and cut that open and take a bite maybe, or at least show you guys what it looks like. Probably save it for a little bit of a dinner treat later. Super moist. Look at that. If you haven't already known, Mealthy.com, you can actually save $10 on any one of their products if you use the coupon code BubbaD's. Thank you guys for watching.